Hello everyone, I am Rahat Paul Singh from 8th E grade of Amrit Indo-Canadian Academy. Today I am going to present the game that I have created using my skills that I have learned in lockdown. As we know that modern technology has both positive and negative impacts on the people, and it depends on the person using technology that he or she is using it negatively or positively. I have created a game in Scratch. The name of my game is Maths is Fun. It is also available on my Scratch ID scratch.bit.edu/user/rat2009. My game is related to maths. It has 3 grades and scores will be given for each correct answer. To play the game, we will click on the green flag. Here I have to choose a grade. Let's start with primary.
Choose an option.
Here I have to choose an option from addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's start with addition.
Hello. Let's play an addition game.
Firstly, to start the game, I need to
First tell,
write my
what's your
name
name?
here.
Hello, Rehan.
Instructions to play the game are already given using extension.
I will ask you 5 questions related to addition. 1 scores will be given for 1 correct answer.
As instructions are given using text-to-speech extension. Now let's give answers. So the first answer is, as you can see, our answer is correct, so our score also gets increased to 1. Let's write this one wrong. It says it is incorrect.
Correct answer is 740.
It also tells us the correct answer and our score doesn't increase. Now if I click on the go back button, the options are again visible, and my score is also saved. But if I click on the green flag to choose another grade, my scores will be not saved. Let's try with kindergarten.
Choose an option.
Here I have only added addition and subtraction according to the chosen grade. Let's try with subtraction.
Hello. Let's play a subtraction game.
Here also I have to give my name.
First tell, what's your name?
Here instructions are
Hello,
already
Rehan.
given using the extension.
I will ask you 5 questions related to subtraction. 1 scores will be given for 1 correct answer.
So let's give answers. As you can see, its answer is correct, so my score again increased to 1. And if I give this also correct, my score increased to 2. So the main motive of my presentation was to tell you the positive impacts of technology. So I hope you have understood that technology has both positive and negative impacts, and it is on the person using it that he or she is using it positively or negatively. But also, if we are using it positively, there should be a balance of time. Thanks. Have a nice day.
ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਨੇ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਦਾ ਸਹੀ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਮੈਥ ਵਿਸ਼ੇ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਚਕ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਸਨਮੁਖ 8ਵੀਂ ਜਮਾਤ ਦਾ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਮਨਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਐਪ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗ ਲਰਨਰ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦੇਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ।
Hello everyone, I am Manpreet Singh from class 8th. Today I am going to give the presentation of my game Spelling Learner. I have made my game on Scratch. Now you might be thinking that what is Scratch? Scratch, it is the block-based programming language developed by Mitch Resnick in MIT lab. We can create stories, games, animation, etc. without doing any coding. Mainly, we can say that Scratch is developed for the beginners. Now let's coming on my game. My game is related to the English spellings. Now let's play the game.
Hello. So today, we will learn the basic spelling. Click to next.
Now we have to click to next.
Choose the option.
Now here I have added 2 rounds, easy and difficult. First, I would like to click on easy. Now these are 5 easy spellings. Now let's try until.
U-N-T-I-L. Until.
Now if the player will learn this spelling, they can click to back and choose another spelling. Now let's try listen.
L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen.
Now if player will learn all the spellings, they can choose the difficult option by clicking again to back.
Choose the option.
Now let's try difficult. Now these are 5 difficult spellings. Let's try obediently.
O B E D I E N T L Y. Obediently.
Now, as if the player will learn all these spellings, they can easily score good marks in English. So this was my game. I hope that you have liked